When I was 15, every dollar I made was gone the next day. Snacks, games, useless stuff. Then I realized money wasn't the problem. My mindset was. The truth is, if you're a teenager right now, this is your golden time to learn how money actually works. Not to save it, to grow it. When I first started making money, I thought saving a few coins meant I was smart. Wrong. You don't get rich by saving, you get rich by multiplying. I used to stash away every dollar, thinking I was playing it safe. But honestly, playing it safe kept me stuck. The real move is to make your money work for you, not just sit in a jar. I started asking myself, how can I make this dollar work for me? That's when everything changed. The goal isn't to spend less, it's to earn so much you don't have to think twice. Here's what I wish I knew. Start small, but start now. Sell old games online, offer to mow lawns, tutor someone in math. Every little hustle teaches you something real. Don't be afraid to mess up. I lost money on my first try flipping sneakers, but I learned more from that L than any how to get rich video. Mistakes are just tuition for the real world. The trick is to keep leveling up, try new things, learn new skills, use apps to track your money, invest, or even start a mini business with your friends. The more you experiment, the more you learn. The more you learn, the more you earn. It's not about being perfect. It's about getting started and staying hungry. So stop thinking small. Don't just save, multiply. Build skills, try side hustles, and let your money work as hard as you do. That's how you break out and start winning for real. When I was younger, I blew cash on stuff that made me look cool for a day. New shoes, gadgets, whatever was trending. But that feeling faded fast. What stuck with me was the stuff I learned, not the stuff I bought. The first time I spent money on an online course, it felt weird. But that course taught me how to design graphics, and suddenly I could make money from my skills, not just my allowance. Courses, books, tools, learning to sell, learning to talk, learning to think. These are the real upgrades, and you don't need a ton of money to start. There are free YouTube tutorials, library books, and apps that teach you everything from coding to video editing. I learned how to build a website for $0, just time and hustle. The first $50 I put into myself made me more money than any console or sneaker ever did. You want to make money? Build skills. They print money for life. I started small, editing videos for friends, tutoring math, even teaching my little brother how to play guitar for a few bucks. Every new skill is like a cheat code. Learn to communicate and you can sell anything. Learn to code and you can build anything. Learn to lead and you can inspire anyone. Don't be afraid to ask for help. I joined free Discord groups, found mentors on social media, and teamed up with friends to learn faster. Collaboration is a superpower. The best part? Every time you level up, you get a little more confident. Celebrate those small wins. Finishing a book, building a project, landing your first client. That's real progress. So invest in yourself. Buy that course, borrow that book, join that club. The stuff you learn now pays you back for life. Forget flexing with things. Flex with your skills. Waiting for the perfect business idea is the fastest way to stay broke. Don't overthink it. Just start. I know teens who made cash reselling sneakers, walking dogs, or even designing digital art for people online. You don't need $1 million plan, just a willingness to try. One friend of mine started a dog walking service in our neighborhood. At first, he only had one client, his neighbor's pug. But he showed up every day, rain or shine, and soon he was walking 5 dogs a week. That's real hustle. Another friend made digital art and sold custom profile pictures to classmates. She started with free apps on her phone, posted her work on Instagram, and before long, people were DMing her for commissions. And yeah, sometimes you'll fail. I remember a kid who set up a lemonade stand, barely sold anything the first day, but instead of quitting, he asked people what flavors they liked, changed up his recipe, and came back stronger. Next weekend, he sold out. The point is, you learn by doing. Every small project, every side hustle, every mistake, it all adds up. Don't wait for the stars to align. Team up with friends, brainstorm wild ideas, and just go for it. Celebrate the small wins. Your first sale, your first happy customer, even your first failure. That's how you build confidence and momentum. I started small, flipping stuff online, selling accessories, doing deliveries, editing videos for people. Was it glamorous? No, but it taught me how money moves. Once you understand that, you can scale anything. The first $10 you make on your own feels better than your parents giving you $100. You're already scrolling. Why not get paid for it? Social media isn't just for memes and trends, it's a launch pad for real money moves. I used to waste hours on my phone just watching other people win. Then I realized every video, every ad, every post was making someone else rich. Why not me? So I flipped the script. I started making content. Funny videos, reviews, even quick tutorials. You don't need 1 million followers. You just need to start. My friend made cash editing TikToks for local businesses. Another got paid to post about her favorite sneakers. I even tried affiliate links, sharing products I actually liked and earning a cut when people bought them. There are so many ways to win. Manage a brand's page, design graphics, shoot photos, or even help small businesses run their ads. If you're creative, brands want you. The best part? You can learn everything for free. YouTube, Discord groups, even TikTok creators share tips on how to grow and monetize. I learned how to edit videos and build a brand just by watching tutorials. Don't just scroll, connect. DM creators you admire, comment on posts, join online communities. Networking online is how you find collabs, gigs, and even mentors. Celebrate your wins. Your first viral post, your first brand deal, your first $10 online. Every small success is proof you can do it again, bigger. Social media isn't just for flexing, it's for building. Build your brand, your skills, your network. Use it to learn, earn, and grow. This one hurts, but it's real. Stop flexing fake success. That new phone, those designer shoes, they don't make you rich. They make you look desperate to impress people who don't care. I went broke trying to look rich. Then I learned the rule. Real winners stay low-key until they've earned the right to flex. Save the bragging for when your money makes money. When I started earning, I used my cash to make life easier, not flashier. I paid people to do the boring stuff so I could focus on what made me grow. That's what rich people do. They buy time, not things. Because time is the one thing you can't get back, and it's the only thing that multiplies your money when you use it right. If I could talk to my younger self, I'd say this: stop wasting your money trying to look rich. Use it to become rich. Every dollar you earn is a soldier. Send it to fight for you, in business, in skills, in opportunities. Because once you learn how to make money work for you, you'll never work for money again. So don't wait for luck, don't wait for someday. Start now. Build, flip, invest, and watch your broke phase turn into your story.